Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scan documents with iPhone Notes app like a pro. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open the Notes app on your iPhone and open any existing note or tap on the new note icon. And then you're going to press on this clipboard icon over here and click on Scan Documents. Once you do so, you're going to simply position it on the document and click on the shutter. And then you can see that the document picture has been taken. So you can view it from here and you can also adjust it by cropping it. You can add filters. You can also rotate it. And if you wish to retake it, you can simply click on retake at the top right corner. Once done, you're going to click on the stick icon. And then you can see the scanned document is over here. And now you can see your scanned document will now be stored neatly inside Notes as a PDF-like file so you can share it anytime wherever you want to do so. So that was how you can scan documents with iPhone Notes app like a pro. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.